It's a kind of story that sparks both wonder and warning. The idea of dinosaurs walking the Earth again, once a fantasy confined to movie screens, is now inching closer to scientific reality. But with Jurassic World Rebirth capturing global attention, the question isn't just, can we bring them back? It's, should we? What begins as a breathtaking scientific proposal quickly unfolds into an ethical tightrope walk between breakthrough and disaster. As scientists delve deeper into de-extinction research, powered by gene editing tools like CRISPR, the line between progress and peril becomes harder to see. The movie may entertain with the idea of resurrected giants, but it echoes real-world discussions that scientists and ethicists are wrestling with right now. From a scientific standpoint, resurrecting extinct species offers dazzling potential. Imagine unlocking ancient genetic codes that could help treat diseases or guide us in adapting to climate change. Researchers dream of restoring balance to damaged ecosystems, or even bringing back lost biodiversity in ways once thought impossible. The economic and cultural ripple effect would be huge. Think Jurassic-era parks, tourism revolutions, documentaries that aren't CGI but reality. The childhood fantasy of seeing a real-life T-Rex, it might not be far off. And now, with whispers that Julia Garner might even be involved in the next phase of the Fantastic Four: The First Steps universe, where advanced science and ethical dilemmas intertwine, Hollywood is fanning the flames of fascination. Yet, as exciting as this all sounds, beneath the surface lies a far more complicated truth. With that potential comes massive ethical baggage. Recreating life from ancient blueprints isn't just a technological feat, it's a moral gamble. What happens if a genetically resurrected dinosaur develops mutations? Or worse, what if it poses a threat to current ecosystems, introducing diseases or disrupting nature's delicate balance? Even more unsettling is the question of consent and suffering. These creatures didn't ask to be brought back. Would their lives be full of purpose or pain? Would they be living relics for human amusement or lab-bound anomalies with no place in the modern world? We must ask, are we doing this for science or spectacle? Then there's the science itself. Despite all the technological leaps, dinosaur DNA is fragmented, decayed by time. Scientists aren't working with full genomes. They're filling gaps with frog or bird DNA, hoping it works. Synthetic biology steps in to fill the rest. But the truth is, we're making educated guesses at best. Playing with nature like this could open the door to unintended consequences, new diseases, uncontrollable organisms, or irreversible environmental shifts. History has shown that tampering with ecosystems, even with the best intentions, rarely ends without repercussions. Once Pandora's box is open, there's no easy way to close it. And yet, this isn't a story entirely of fear. There's real hope in this research, especially when it comes to extinct animals closer to our time, like the woolly mammoth or passenger pigeon. These efforts could heal broken habitats or revive ancient resilience. But the key lies in setting clear, transparent boundaries. Gene editing technology must be paired with public oversight, strict ethical guidelines, and global cooperation. This can't be a race to fame or profit. It has to be a deliberate, thoughtful step forward into a future we can live with, not run from. The conversation needs to happen now, not later, before science gets too far ahead of wisdom. As Jurassic World Rebirth makes waves in theaters and news feeds, it's also stirring something deeper, our collective conscience. The film may be fiction, but the science is real, and the decisions we make today will echo for generations. Are we wise enough to wield this power with care? Or are we still chasing spectacle over responsibility? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain. If we choose to bring the past into the present, we must do it not just with awe, but with awareness, intention, and heart. So what do you think? Are we on the edge of a scientific golden age? Or walking blindly into a prehistoric mistake? Drop your thoughts in the comments and keep the conversation going. And don't forget, subscribe to Star Gossips and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from Hollywood's heart. See you in the next one.